Are we gonna catch crappie today? Yes, we are.
So I'm back at the same pond. We got about 2 inches of rain over the weekend, and we're expecting snow in 3 days. So I'm drop shotting today. Roadrunner, I'm going to give the day off. So I got a little worm weights at the back of this. I ordered some drop shot weights. Well overdue. That was about 10 feet to the side of what I wanted to be, but nice, 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 nice. Hello, buddy. Yeah, you were in full spike mode. All right, let me get your lip. All right, look at that. Crappie hunt. We got a little guy. Got a little guy. Nice. I don't know what brand this plastic is, but it's got one of the most amazing tails. I don't think I got the label on the package anymore. I'll have to take a little peek. I'll put it down in the comments if I do have it, because this thing is phenomenal. Leave it be, leave it be. I think that's... Let's leave it there, let someone else take it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Show me what you're working with. So I think they're reaction striking, but either they're super dinky or maybe there's just, because there's no scent on this plastic, maybe they're not too enthused. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, that's... Yeah, I think I got another crappie. Nice. Oh, except I hooked you... Oh, I hooked you in a weird spot. That's very awkward. Alright. Let's play surgeon for a little bit here. I got it out. Hopefully that wasn't too bad of a wound. Swam away pretty good. I think that's a bigger size, maybe. No, still a dink. A little bigger, maybe. Alright, that's number 3. Alright, it's... Whoa, no, no, no. I'm trying to get less line stuck on you. There you go. You guys don't feel quite as frigid as that bass from the other day. Look at that guy. Beautiful. Love crappie. They look so cool. There you go. So I've got some night crawlers from the other week. Yeah, they're looking alive still. Let's see, I've been working it there. Maybe I'll go right into the, yeah, I'll go right into there. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, geez, that's a big... Oh, no, I lost him. I lost him. Well, there's big bass about. Very first cast, and that thing went down and had some weight. So I worked some different areas. Seems to be the only one that was producing was this cove in the front. So I caught a few crappie, mission accomplished. I'm very excited about that. That was definitely something I wanted to achieve this fall. It was on my bucket list. I missed an opportunity with that probably 3-pound bass. As soon as I threw that night crawler in, within half a second it jumped on it. Hopefully we get some more warm weather after this cold spell and snowstorm. Because I really don't want to be chipping ice and fishing. I'm not much of an ice fisherman. So hopefully we get some nice weather after this initial snowstorm, and see you guys out on the water.